Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I'm Jess. I love all things fitness, activewear, healthy lifestyle. So if you like those things too, definitely subscribe and stick around. Today I'm going to be talking about the You Grow Girl box, and that comes from Fierce Forward Jewelry. So thank you so much for coming by, watching this video. I'm so glad you're here. I'm loving connecting with all of you. I am, at the time of this video, getting close to 500 subscribers, and it's just been such a fun journey. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So Fierce Forward, I just did a video on an unboxing where I got this really awesome, this is the growth bracelet. So they do mantra jewelry, and then this one is Dream, and it's all like precious natural stones. So you should definitely check out my other video if you didn't watch it yet. Ashley Johns created the company, and she is absolutely amazing entrepreneurial woman, like just super badass, incredible. So I talk more about her in my other video, check it out. But the You Grow Girl box is so fun. It is a monthly subscription box, and it comes with a jewelry piece, kind of like based around a theme. The one that I just unboxed also had a crystal, and then there were journal prompts. So all this really awesome stuff. I just think it's so fun, and I'm such a fan of her and her jewelry. So it just made total sense when she was looking for people to pilot the very first box. I was like, absolutely, like I would love to do that. And so you're about to see the unboxing of the very first You Grow Girl box. And then after doing that, then it became available, and now anyone can subscribe. So I will definitely link the box down below if you like the idea of it, you want to try it out. I will link Fierce Forward and Ashley and everything, so you'll see in the description bar if you want more information. But it's so awesome and so exciting. Like, I'm one of those people, I love subscription boxes. I used to have a lot, actually. I did like Ipsy, Sephora, I get one from Allure, and I just find it so much fun. It's like your birthday or Christmas. I actually have this thing where I reach into the box without looking most of the time because I like the surprise. So a little fun to open up every month, and I just think it's so awesome to get that intention every month. Because it is based around kind of like an intention of the month. So you're about to see the unveiling, the unboxing of the You Grow Girl box. Hi everyone, we are back. It's probably like a week or so later, maybe 2 weeks, I don't know. And so the last thing that you just saw was I unboxed this amazing choker that I got, as well as these two bracelets that I'm absolutely loving, the Growth and the Dream. So Ashley is very sneaky, and she sent me this Dream bracelet, like total surprise. I had no idea it was coming, so I was super confused, and I thought that when I had two different Fierce Forward packages, that one was the You Grow Girl box. But it turns out it wasn't. It was like a special secret surprise. So thank you, Ashley. See? She's amazing. So now I really do have in my hot little hand the You Grow Girl box. I am so thrilled. I'm going to be unboxing it today. I don't know what's inside. I am just so excited. Like, when she asked, did anyone want to do this on Instagram? I was like, me girl, pick me. So I am so excited. I am just cutting open the tape, trying not to cut myself. I'm kind of clumsy sometimes. Okay, so we've got, oh, hold on, there's still a little more. We've got our box. It is so cute. It's got the You Grow Girl sticker on it. I love that. Oh my God, we're opening it up. Oh. I'm trying to like get maximum enjoyment, but share So look, we open up, it's got this cute little message. Your heart knows the way, run in that direction. Your growth starts here. Hey, beautiful girl, I'm so excited for you to take this journey each month. One of the most important things you can do for yourself every day is to invest in you. Yes. Listen to your heart, set your intentions, and fill yourself up with everything you need to be your fiercest self. Grab your coffee or tea, go into a quiet room by yourself, get your favorite journal, light a candle, turn your playlist on, and let the unboxing begin. Slow and intentional, your growth starts here. That's so cute. I really should be lighting a candle, but it's like 80 degrees right now. Okay, so it comes with this really cute card that says, trust your heart. Amethyst, inner strength and courage. And then it's got a message here. Reach for the things you cannot see. Trust your heart and take the next step. Put your hand on your heart. So often we look outside of ourselves for our answers when the truest answers are inside, beneath your hand. Only your heart knows your truth. When you learn to trust it, you can step forward into your fiercest path with the strength and courage you use to lead your life. This month, focus intently on your heart and your connection to yourself. Spend time alone. Go on daily walks, start a nightly bath routine. Journal every night and take time to be with yourself. Every morning, put your amethyst heart necklace on. Place your hand over your heart and remember that this is where your answers are. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Turn this card over to keep stepping forward. Oh, and then there's 3 journal questions and 3 action steps. Well, I think I have a guess then. What might be inside? Oh, there's a sticker. I love that. I was just asking if we could get stickers to like put on our journals and notebooks and stuff. She creates her own way. Nothing can hold her back. I love what she's saying because I have found in the last couple years, like, I'm the kind of person where I would like ask other people for input or answers, but really, like, it is in you. You have all the answers that you need. And once you can actually like pause and tune in, it's amazing. Okay, so the little package says, you are fierce. Oh, this is like Christmas. It's like my birthday. It's an early birthday gift. So cute. It's like so cutely wrapped too. Like, oh my gosh. Look at how adorable. Heart, you are fierce from within. You have emotional strength and courage to use to lead your life. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love that. And there's something else even. Oh my goodness. It really is like, happy birthday to me. Oh, ooh, yes. And just a nice raw amethyst. That is gorgeous. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love it. So then you just have like this nice little nest that kept everything safe in shipment. Oh, I'm glad this is heart because like I'm feeling it in my heart right now. Like I really just like opening it up really feel so loved, and I just love the idea of like putting this on every day and thinking about the intentions. So this is beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm really thrilled to be a part of this little Fierce Forward community. Yeah, so I will absolutely link Fierce Forward below and any other things that I promised you in the other segment leading up to this. But yeah, I'm so thrilled and so excited, and I just can't wait to wear my new little baby. Oh, have a great day, everyone. Stay positive. Bye.